What up, Dub fam? We back at it again. You know, I'm finna feed the pups. Got their water ready. I'm finna get their food together now. In here cleaning. This is what I clean my dog cages. Clean them, clean they little, whatever the little bottom piece is. Bruno, go home, bro. Stop being hard-headed. Go. Hey. Okay. Anyway, just was in here sweeping. My dogs be shedding. I don't know if y'all dogs do it, but my dog. I don't want to call right now, bro. Here. My bad, boy. Alright, no, go home. That's why I didn't want to do it, because you think, no. Back up, boy. Move. Nay. See, she chilling right now, y'all. She chilling. But I'm in here cleaning and getting their food ready. I give my dog one scoop of this. My female, she get one scoop of this. You know what I'm saying? That's how I come back to the meal. But then when they was puppies, I used to feed them some diamond stuff, some diamond bread. You know what I mean? They loved it. I can't say nothing bad about it. It's just now, my guys and girls, they love this. You know what I'm saying? Then I go to this, to the good stuff. Like I say it's good. Give them a scoop of this. I gotta mix it in there. Give them a scoop of that. Big boom on now. Gonna get him. Yeah, this is, you know, if y'all watched the video yesterday, remember I posted a video of the ingredients that I feed them. You know, I got other bowls too, but them the bowls that go with that, so I just use those. And I'm gonna make a video when I go to the feeding store. I'm going to the feeding store. I see my work boots. I need my work boots. Then, it's crazy. These bags go back on the I wish they came with the ones like this. This shit just zip up like, how many, you know what I'm saying? Seal it. That's awesome. Seal it. Oh, I love that. I love that. Seal it. Seal it. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start keeping them bags instead of throwing them away and put them in there when I finish them bags and just seal it. That's all. For sure, that's my storage. But yeah, I'm finna finish getting this up, man. I had to clean up in this thing. Cause I had to make sure, get this hair out. You know, we did a little walk this morning. You know what I'm saying, with the pups. Let them walk, let them chill. Now we just chilling. I'm finna let them eat now. You know what I'm saying? It ain't really nothing. I'm just working with them. And they working with me. Look at her. Bruno, I didn't tell you. See, he act hard-headed. Look at her. She little, y'all. Real little. He's a stem. I think Did they say he's a classic standard or a standard? I know he in the standard model, y'all. She's a pocket. Yeah, she little though. Her dad is like her side. Her mama is bigger than her dad. See, I didn't really know a lot about the bully game like that. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, I just jumped out there just on the with. I know his dad was nice. His dad name is Tucker out there in Texas. I ain't gonna. When I get the hang of it and knowing how to post pictures and the videos and stuff like that, I do it though. I got a picture of him though. He's a solid bull though. I give him that. She's about the size of her dad. Her mom is huge. You know what I mean? I didn't really know what I was getting into at the time. I don't take nothing. Everything is a learning experience, man. But I paid some good money for her and him. I paid some real good money for her though. But she yeah, they both registered but you know, this like I say, it's like your first car when you rush into your first car and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Take y'all time with this, man. Everything is a learning experience. Soak up all the game, man. Soak up all the game. How you get both doors open? Man, that's my fault on that. I'm tripping. That's my fault. Both doors ain't even supposed to be open. Nate. Y'all ready, huh? Y'all ready? Chief. See? Now watch the mess they finna make, y'all. They gonna make a mess, man. I promise you. This was what they love to do. Why they love putting the food down there when the food is right here? Normally I stick my hand in it and mix it and stuff like that, but they alright, man. It's all gonna go down the same. Yeah, this what I use to clean. I clean my the cages with though, y'all. This Lysol, I use this dime. I spray them. Take the cages outside. Take them around back. Take the bottom pan out. Take my bucket. Throw some water on. Well, I spray it with the Lysol first. That way I let it sit and soak in it for a minute. Do the same thing with the cage. Soak them up. Take them outside. Let them, you know what I mean? I put that hot water on them. Soak them up. Get the scrubbing. You know, you gotta scrub. I ain't got no towel. I scrub. I got my brush. It's my old faithful brush. Man, cheap, bro. Yeah, cheap. But yeah, I'm gonna let them eat and we gonna tap back in with y'all in a minute, y'all. Look at this, y'all. And I appreciate the love. I appreciate everything y'all do, man. That never go unspoken and never go unthinking of, man. I appreciate y'all. Give me 5 on that. Yeah, my man say he appreciate y'all too. It's Doug.